Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm in a country road in the county here in North Alabama, and I'm standing in front of a 2022 Ford Shelby GT500. This is a badass car, and I will never turn down a chance to drive one and bring you guys along with me. So come on, let's go. Everybody knows what a Shelby GT500 looks like. So for this review, it's really about the driving. It's not about what the exterior looks like or anything like that, or what the interior looks like. But you always want to talk about the engine and the power plant. Hey everyone, summer's here. You know what that means. It means beach trips, barbecues, a lot of family time and family vacations, a lot of things that get expensive, and of course, driving fun cars really fast. So that's why this summer you need to use the Upside app. You get cash back every time you fill up. But it's not only just a cash app for the gas station, it's for restaurants and groceries as well. People are earning up to $300 a month for doing things that they would normally do anyway. I use this, and you should use it too, trust me. When you're in my line of work and you're driving some of these cars and you got a truck like I do, you need all the help you can get. Here's the app. It goes ahead and searches for gas stations for you. 10 cents per gallon cash back on premium. Go to the gas station and claim it and start your fill up. It's just that simple. Remember, top Upside earners are earning as much as $300 a month doing things that they would normally do anyway. You're going to go out to eat, you're going to get groceries, and you're constantly going to get gas. Remember, to download the app, click on the link in the description and enter the code BAMA, and you'll gain an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first fill up for your car. This is the 5.2 liter supercharged Predator engine. The same engine that they're currently putting in the Raptor R, except this one's tuned a little bit different. You got 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in about 3.4 seconds. Top speed of 180. So this thing is a badass engine. It's one of Ford's best engines. You see we have the open air intake in there, sucking in fresh air, trying to keep this engine cooled. And I like the cover. I like the Cobra on the cover of it. I think it's badass looking. Instead of the silver though, they could have painted it like to match the car, right? You could have made it like orange, or in the black Shelby, you could make it black. I think that would look pretty cool too. But this thing is all about performance. It's basically a ready-built track car, ready-built race car, and it comes straight from this Predator engine. So, like I said, I'll never turn down an opportunity to drive it, and we're going to take it for a spin. Thanks to my friends at North Country Ford for giving me this opportunity. And if you need a Ford or even Dodge, Jeep, or Ram, come see them. I'll put Michaela's name and number in the description, and you can check them out. So with that being said, we're in some back roads of Tijuana. Let's go ahead and drive it and give it the business and see what we can do. We're ready to go driving. We've migrated to the back streets of Tijuana. Probably a lot of peacock bass in these ponds. So now we're ready to go on a little driving. I currently am in track mode with a track mode exhaust. This is paired to a 7-speed automatic, and like I was saying earlier during the engine portion, it's 760 horsepower, 625 pound-feet of torque. And this thing just sounds amazing. I could never drive this enough. The 5.2 liter Predator engine is freaking awesome. I don't really have to use two hands on the steering wheel, and normally I don't drive with two hands on the steering wheel, but it makes me feel more like a race car or a track driver. So that's what we'll go for today. And remember, when you're driving a Shelby GT500 and you get pulled over, just tell the cop that you thought that the speed limit signs were just suggestions based on the car you were driving. Try to explain to him, do you know how hard it is to go 35 miles an hour in a GT500? Like, it just doesn't even make any sense. I'm sure he'll understand. Listen to that roar. Like I'm coming into the pits. Whoa, is this a concrete road? I do like the soft touch steering wheel too. They should have made the racing stripe orange to match the car. Every time I go to stop, it sounds like I'm revving the engine up. All right, let's do some driving. How are the federales on this road? I swear I thought that sign said 90 back there instead of 40. You can hear a little bit of that supercharger whine, but the exhaust is so loud that you can barely hear it. This car handles. We're on a county road and it's not the smoothest road, but this car handles, I mean, I don't even have to hardly turn, and it's going around these curves. And I'm not going slow at the moment. Where else can you have that much fun? Something tells me when we review the Ford Maverick Lobo, it won't take off like that. I like that I can adjust the gauges to where I can look at what the inlet air temperature is, hitting the filter and coming through, and then I can see what the vacuum boost is on the supercharger, if it's in a vacuum or if when I gun it goes into the boost, and the air to fuel ratio. Yeah, I'll take that. I mean, 3.4, it's a hot day. We've already done 2.
Yeah.
I'm not used to launching this. Like, if it was in my truck, it'd be different.
Right.
Still got it up to about 108.
Yeah.
All right. Well, everybody, editor should have a good time editing some of these pulls, and everybody see them. So we're heading back to the dealership. We'll wrap up there, and we'll see y'all in a minute. All right, there you have it, everybody. I hope everybody had a good time and came along for the ride in the Shelby GT500. We had some really good pulls. We had some really good back roads driving, and like I said, I hope everybody enjoyed it. Special shout out to my friends at North Country Ford. If you're interested in this car or any Ford at all, please give them a call. I'll put all the information. I'll put Michaela Smalley's information down in the description as well. They're great people and they'll take care of you. And remember, the next time you catch yourselves in the back roads of Mexico like we were today, and you got a fun car or truck to drive, go ahead and give it the business and have a good time with it. We'll catch y'all later. Have a good one, everybody.